The world's easiest panettone, no blender, no dissolving. In a bowl, let's start by adding 3 eggs. Next, add 1.5 cups sugar, 4 tablespoons butter or margarine. Now, using a whisk, mix everything thoroughly. Then add 250 milliliters of warm water. Careful folks, the water shouldn't be too hot. Also add a 10-gram packet of bread yeast. And don't forget 1 tablespoon of panettone essence. Now add 500 grams of all-purpose flour. With a spatula, mix well until the dough is smooth. Add 300 grams of chocolate chips and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix again. Cover with a kitchen towel and let rest for 30 minutes. After this time, our dough will have doubled in size. Let's give it a quick stir. Now folks, let's transfer it to panettone molds. Use whichever size you prefer. I'm using 2 500-gram molds here. I'll sprinkle more chocolate chips on top. Now let's cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. After that, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes or until golden. Look how amazing this panettone turns out, quick and easy. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.